morning, everyone. Good morning, dear students. Welcome back to another lesson for Grade 10 English 102, New Language Leader, Unit 7.4, Study and Writing Skills. I just would like to remind you of our objectives for today. So by the end of the lesson, students will be able to identify main ideas. Number two, apply different types of note-taking. So mainly today, inshallah, we're going to focus on the different types of note-taking. This will be very helpful and useful when we tackle the writing. So today, inshallah, we're going to do some practice regarding note-taking. The third objective is to study and analyze charts. The fourth one is to describe falls and increases that are related to the charts. And finally, we're going to write about a chart. So what is note taking? How often do you practice note taking? Now, you might need note taking, especially when you want to remind yourself of the main points, of the main important points. Sometimes, for example, your father or your mother might ask you to, for example, do a number of things. So here, you don't write everything your mom or your dad says. Maybe you will write only some bullets. You will only write the main things, and you will not write full sentences as well. So note-taking is very useful when you want to remember the most important things. So how useful is note-taking? Note-taking is the process of writing down what people are saying, what a journalist is observing, or simply what you are reading. By taking notes, the writer records the essence of the information, freeing their mind from having to recall everything. So in short, you write down the most important things. You might not write full sentences. And the most important thing is that you don't write every word. So that's the main essence of note taking, is that you don't write every single word. You're going to read a quite long text which talks about learning foreign languages in Britain. First, we will together try to understand the text. Then, we will try to practice note-taking depending on what we are looking for in that text. Therefore, try first to read the text and answer the questions. So I'll give you like 7 minutes, between 7 minutes and 5 minutes, to read the text and answer the questions. So these are the questions. Learning foreign languages should be compulsory. Now, compulsory means that it is a must. You have to do it, all right? Says the report. Now, your job is to find some justifications. UK children are not that much interested in learning foreign languages. They don't like learning a foreign language. They speak English, so they have to learn another language like German or Arabic or French. All right. So why aren't they interested in learning a foreign language? You have to give me the reasons for that. Can you justify? Can you justify? This means that you have to give reasons. So we have A, B, C, D. So you need to find 4 justifications, 4 reasons why the UK children are not that much interested in learning foreign languages. Question number 2, what solutions does the report recommend? So to overcome this problem, what does the report suggest? What do they tell us that should be done in order to overcome this problem? All right. You might want to take a picture of this because you're going to read, I'm going to show you the article in a minute. So please, with your mobile phone, take a picture of this. These are the questions. All right. Take a picture of this. because you're going to need it when you read the article in a minute. So take a picture with your mobile phone. All right, so here is the article. So what you have to do is find the reasons why the UK children are not that much interested in learning foreign languages. You have to find 4 reasons, 4 justifications. And number 2, what have they done? What has the UK government done to solve this problem, to overcome this problem? All right, so what solutions does the report recommend? All right, so here's the article. I'll give you 10 minutes for this activity. Okay. All right, we are back. So let's go and have a look at the model answer. So UK children are not that much interested in learning foreign languages. Can you justify this fact from the text? These are the justifications from the text. Just 32% of young people in the UK say they are able to read or write in more than one language, compared with 79% of their peers in France and more than 90% in Germany. Fewer than half of all pupils in England, Wales, and Northern Ireland cite a GCSE foreign language exam. Sorry, sit a GCSE foreign language exam. GCSE entries in German have fallen by 67% since 2002, while French entries have dropped by 62%. In terms of speaking foreign languages, the British have never been good, but now the level has gone from low to dire. Dire here means worst. What solutions does the report recommend? A, learning a new language should be compulsory. It means it is a must for them. They have to do it. Should be compulsory for pupils up to the age of 16. The overturning of the government's 2004 decision to drop compulsory study of languages at Key Stage 4 when pupils take GCSE exams in England, Wales, and Northern Ireland. The government should start subsidizing the teaching of languages. Subsidizing means supporting. Subsidizing the teaching of languages at universities. Rather than continuing to present languages as not suitable for everyone, we need to include a broader range of pupils learning through a variety of qualifications geared to different needs. We should safeguard, it means to protect. We should safeguard higher education language courses, particularly those involving less widely taught languages, and prioritize here means to make it first, to make it a priority. And prioritize extracurricular language learning opportunities. Now, note-taking styles. There are two note-taking styles. Two of the most used styles in note-taking include one, outlines. So the first one is called outlines, and the second one is called mind map. So in this lesson, we have two note-taking styles. The first one is called outlines, and the second one is called mind maps. So number one, the outline. This is for people who like simplicity. It's one of the easiest ways to take notes and comes pretty naturally to most people. When taking your outline notes, you start by choosing a major topic which you want to cover. Beneath that main topic, you add some more in-depth subtopics which explain or support your initial topic. So if you go to the right, as you see, this is how you would organize your outline. So you have the major topic, and of course you have subtopics beneath or under the major topic. It could be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It depends. Okay, so read the previous text again and try to take notes about the possible solutions to encourage the British to learn foreign languages. So this is your practice. All right, so you read the previous text again and try to take notes about the possible solutions to encourage the British to learn foreign languages. This is the second part. This is the second question in the previous slide. So you need to make that question or the answer, you should change it into note-taking by using the outline style. All right, so this is the text again. So you need to find the solutions and use the note-taking style, which is the outline. So you have the main topic, and then you have the sub-topics. All right? I'll give you 5 minutes for this activity. Okay, dear students, when you take notes, you only take the main points. You don't have to write full sentences. You make your sentence or your ideas short. You make your ideas short, and you take the main point, sorry, the main topic, and then you have sub topics. You don't take sorry, you don't write full sentences. You don't write all the words. When you take notes, it means that you write short sentences and you don't write every single word. You don't write every single word. Welcome back. We have some answers from our dear students. We have Sufyan Mansour. Sufyan Mansour. He says strategies for taking good lecture notes. taking well-organized notes in outline form, taking notes in complete thoughts, but abbreviate, reduce, and simplify. Separate and label the notes for each class. Make your notes easy to read. Be an aggressive note taker. So Sufyan Mansour is giving us some tips on how to take notes. Thank you, Sufyan. Abdullah Muhammad Shams. Abdullah Muhammad Shams. They have to bring a teacher from the country they want to learn. It should be to teach them language. They have to make a new schools for the languages. And 32% of the young people says that they are ready to learn a new language. Thank you, Abdullah Muhammad Shams. Tamim Khalid Abdullah. He says we should safeguard higher education language courses, particularly those involving less widely taught languages. Again, dear students, the outline style involves writing the main topic, or the major topic, and then you have subtopics. All right. So this is how you take notes when using the outline style. We have Muhammad Ala Fathi. Muhammad Ala Fathi. The government should start subsidizing the teaching of languages at universities. We have Hussein Fadil Ali Abdullah. Main topic, the languages in the UK. This is excellent. Okay, where are the subtopics? Hussein Fadil. You're right. The main topic is the languages in the UK, or the things that should be done to overcome the problem of teenagers not being interested in learning foreign languages. All right, we have Muhammad Ala Fathi. The overturning of the government's 2004 decision to drop compulsory study of languages at Key Stage 4 when people take GCSE exams in England, Wales, and Northern England. Thank you, Muhammad Ala. And we have Ali Mukhtar Mansour. Ali Mukhtar Mansour. He says, number one, students' performance in foreign language learning has been abysmal and on the decline for years. Number two, the main reason behind this is a 2004 decision that made foreign language learning optional. Number three, UK students are far behind their European counterparts as far as second language learning is concerned. Number four, learning foreign languages increases social cohesion, social mobility, and educational attainment. Excellent, Ali Mukhtar. He is writing sentences, but your sentences are short and you are not writing every single word. That's the main thing. You don't write every single word. You take the main ideas, you take the main points, and maybe there is sometimes you don't have to write full sentences. You don't have to write full sentences. You just, for example, you just say, for example, number four, learning foreign languages increases social cohesion. You can just say, for example, increase in social cohesion, social mobility, and educational attainment. Ali Mukhtar, there is no need to write full sentences. There is no need to write full sentences. You just say increases in social cohesion, social mobility, and educational attainment. All right. Thank you for all those who participated actively. All right. So that was so this is the model answer. So solutions. So the major topic is solutions to encourage the British to learn foreign languages, or you can just say solutions. That's the major topic. All right. Number one, learning a new language should be compulsory for pupils up to the age of 16. So these are the subtopics. So the major topic is solutions to encourage the British to learn foreign languages, and the subtopics we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So these are the solutions. Learning a new language should be compulsory for pupils up to the age of 16. The overturning of the government's 2004 decision to drop compulsory study of languages at Key Stage 4 when pupils take GCSE exams in England, Wales, and Northern Ireland, sorry. The government should start subsidizing the teaching of languages at universities. Rather than continuing to present languages as not suitable for everyone, we need to include a broader range of pupils learning through a variety of qualifications geared to different needs. We should safeguard higher education language courses, particularly those involving less widely taught languages, and prioritize extracurricular language learning opportunities. All right. Okay. Now, there is another style for note taking. The other style is called mind map. It's very similar, but it is different in terms of how it looks. In addition to outlines, mind maps are also widely used in note taking. The mind map is a great way of taking notes. They are often used to get a handle on how certain topics relate, or to go in depth with one particular idea. For instance, if you are attending a lecture or reading a text about global warming, you may start with that concept in the center and then draw circles of all the things that lead to this issue as the lecturer lists them or as the text presents them. So as you can see, so we have global warming in the middle. So this is the main topic. This is the major topic. And then you have the other sub topics. It could be causes, it could be effects, it could be anything. So we have global warming. So we have the causes. So what are the causes of global warming? We have factories, we have deforestation, the cutting of trees, we have pollution, we have fossil fuels, and we have means of transport like cars, like buses, like motorbikes, and etc., etc. All right, we have practice as well using the mind map. Read the previous text again and try to take notes about facts that demonstrate that UK children are not that much interested in learning foreign languages. So this is the question that we did, which is number one. Question number one. You have to change or make the answer using the mind map style. All right. So 5 minutes again for this activity. We need to go back. So again, read the text again and try to find the causes for the UK children not being interested in learning a foreign language, and use the mind map. Use the mind map. You have the major topic in the middle, which is UK children not being interested in learning a foreign language, and then you have the causes around the main topic. You have the causes around the main topic. 5 minutes. Okay, we have Yusuf Faisal Ahmed Mehsen. He has a question. So he says, how am I supposed to use the mind maps style in the chat box? I agree, it is difficult, but you just need to write them just like using the outline style. But here, instead of writing about the recommendations to overcome the problem, you write about the causes for the UK children not being interested in learning a foreign language. But you have the idea that it should be the major topic should be in the middle, and then you have around it you have the causes. All right. Thank you, Yusuf Faisal Ahmed Mehsen. You can say have to, must. It's a must. Compulsory means it is a must. So you can write this down. All right. Let's have a look at how it looks to use the mind map. So we did the outline style, and now we're going to have a look at the mind map and how it looks. All right. So we have facts showing facts showing low interest in learning foreign languages. So this is the major topic. This is the main topic. And then we have the causes around it. All right. So it's almost the same, but the way, the shape is a little bit different. All right. You're going to read the text, which you have seen in lesson 7.1. The text presents the findings of different research studies that have investigated the issue of crime in the UK. Do you remember the lesson from week 1? That's the one that we are going to read in a minute. Try to take notes about the possible causes which have led to the upsurge in this phenomenon. All right. You may use either the note-taking styles you may use either of the note-taking styles we have seen, the outline or the mind map. And you should remember that there is no right or wrong style for note-taking. You can even combine different styles. So just to be clear about what you have to do now is that you will go to you will read the text again and find the causes. So you have the main topic and then you have the causes. All right. All right. I'll give you 5 minutes, around 5 minutes to 7 minutes. Okay, we have some answers from our dear students. So as we said that when it comes to note taking, you don't have to write full sentences, all right? And the main thing is that you don't write every single word, because you just want to remind yourself of the main points. All right, this is very useful when you are attending a lecture. So when you listen to your lecturer or your teacher, he's speaking very fast, so you don't have the time to write every single word. So that's the main thing of note taking. We have Ahmed Mohammed Jabir. Ahmed Mohammed Jabir. The main point is the causes of the upsurge of crime in the UK. Excellent. And then we have the subtopics. The causes are unemployment, number one, unemployment. Number two, bullying. Number two, decline in morals. Number one, two, three, four. Number four, decline in morals. Number five, violence. Number six, freedom. And number seven, selfishness. We have Hussein Naji, causes of crime, personal freedom, selfishness, violence against children, morals decline, and bullying. All right. Let's have a look at the model answer. So we have causes of the upsurge in crime in the UK. We have unemployment, violence against children, bullying, decline in morals, and there's upsurge in personal freedom and selfishness. Yeah, selfishness. Yeah, that's how you pronounce it. All right. Next time, inshallah, we're going to tackle describing bar charts. Inshallah, this is for tomorrow. Inshallah, I would like to thank everyone who participated today. Thank you so much, and bye-bye for now.